Hello. Today we're going to be making a cutting board on TJ Works wood. We're using some cherry left over from the table build, which you can find right here, and then some walnut that I got at Fine Lumber here in Austin, Texas. And what we're going to do is going to be an end grain cutting board, which I've never made before. I've made a couple of side grains, or side cutting boards. Side grains. Anyway, so yeah, it's going to be kind of a square pattern. Look a little bit like that. And like I said, haven't done it before. We're going to see what happens, and hopefully it turns into something usable. If not, okay, whatever. We'll learn from mistakes. Here we go. Here I'm just sizing up all the boards to the shortest one. You'll see why here in a little bit. I want them to be all equal distance or equal length, just to make everything a little smoother. But the rest of it's pretty straightforward, so enjoy the cutting. I do want to say that I do know that this is not the safest way to do it. I didn't realize how dangerous this might be until I looked at the video, so I went ahead and ordered a micro jig gripper, so I don't have to keep my fingers that close ever again, hopefully. It all cut up, and so this is kind of how it's going to look. There's some gaps, little gaps. We'll try to make it work. Glue time. got it out of the clamps and got lots of glue. So I'll take my chisel, clean that up, and then we're gonna put it through the planer, get all the sides, make sure all the sides are evened up, and then get to cutting. So let's see what we can do. All right.
So here we have it. Just finishing it up, giving it a nice sanding. Kind of route the edges, put a nice chamfer on there, make it look really nice. And then once that's done, it's pretty much done. Really like the way it turned out. I'm gonna give it a mineral oil bath here and let it set for about 30 minutes. And then, yeah, we have a cutting board. I was really happy how it turned out. Uh, I want to be making a lot more of these. I really enjoyed that, different patterns. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos coming out. So maybe some furniture, maybe some more cutting boards. Who knows? Just kind of whatever's clever. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you'd like. Thank you.